guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome back to my channel. It's been like so super long since I've actually filmed like a YouTube video, and today I'm finally decided to do one. Have been doing this video for a very long time now, but somehow I've been procrastinating and I've not been doing. So finally I have decided to do that for you all. I also filmed a part 1 for this video, but it was like a long time ago. It was like 3-4 months ago, and somehow the footage got deleted. So basically, as you have already seen from the title below, I have shopped for the least priced products from Ajio. Again, in India there are like so many shopping websites, and Ajio should be one of my most favorites, especially for the variety of products it offers, and also the prices are like so reasonable. I absolutely love Ajio. You have to check them out. So yeah, I wanted to spend as less money as I could, so that's the reason why I've actually gone for Ajio, because I got like many products for like a lesser price. To be honest, I have like 6 or 7 categories, and combining all of the products, the bill was only rupees 1800. But I can't promise you if these products are still in stock, because I got them a little while ago. But I will make sure to place the links down in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. So these are all the packages I got, and at this point I even don't remember if I lost any, because only these were in my cupboard. So yeah, I'll just quickly unpack them and be back. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. I miss saying that. So guys, I'm going to be going into the Ajio app, which is right here, and then I'm going to be picking these 3 things, and then I'm going to be going to women, and I'm going to be shopping from one of the each category. So starting from the first one, kurtas and kurtis, I'm going to be going down, and then I'm going to be choosing my size L, and then in sort by I'm going to be setting it from the lowest to the highest. Okay, there are quite a few pieces of 150 rupees. So yeah, I have an option to choose from. So 150 is like the least price which I can get from a kurti or a kurta. So yeah, these are all the products which I'm getting for 150 rupees, which is quite decent, I feel, until here. Oh no, we have more. Yeah, until this yellow kurti. Maybe this one is cute and easy breezy, loose and stuff. Okay, let me just go with this one, choosing my thing and adding it to my bag. And then coming into our next category, which is tops and t-shirts. So again, going down and choosing my size large, which is right here, and then I'm going to be sorting it from the lowest first. Oh, we have products from 129 rupees, and again we have got few options. Guys, I actually wanted to come from bottom to top. So obviously the first category is going to be footwear, and as I told you, I didn't receive that parcel, or that parcel is missing. I'll just insert a picture here. This is how they look like. They are actually one of the most expensive products in the entire haul. They retail for 380 rupees, and they were a silver pair of slippers. So I have nothing to talk about it. So let's move on to the next category. To the next category is bottom wear, and for the least priced product I actually got this a pair of blue jeans. This is how they look like, and guys, I am actually thrilled to see the quality. They retail for they just retail for 338 rupees. They are high waisted, and they are a little cropped in the bottom. They are more of like a 3/4 pant, I can say, but they fit so well, and they're so super comfortable. I can totally sense that, and I actually can imagine myself wearing them, because if you know me, you know I like fitted jeans, and these are so good and perfect and completely worth 340 rupees. Where do you get jeans for 340 rupees? These are amazing. Absolutely love them. Coming to the next category, I would like to talk about a dress. So the least priced dress which I actually got from the website is this one. This is how it looks like. It has got these elastic detailing going on the sides, and this doesn't fit me very properly. I am not very comfortable wearing it, but you'll be shocked to know the price. This dress retails for 195 rupees only. This is how it looks like. It has got this really cute little tiny ruffly sleeves going on. The color is pretty, but yeah, I really feel like this dress is worth 195 rupees. So if you're interested, then you can go ahead and purchase it. Coming to the next category, it is actually nightwear. So I actually, in nightwear, I thought I would get like a top and bottom set, but I had to pick the first one I got, and hence I had to pick this white top. It is like a plain white top, nothing more to talk about, but obviously I can say that the material is really nice. I got like a 3 sizes bigger so that it is very comfortable, because since it's a night dress, I'm going to be wearing it while sleeping. The material is really nice. It retails for 139 rupees. Can you believe that? The quality is really great. The original price is actually printed as 199 rupees, if you can see, but I got it for 140. Totally worth the money. I really like the quality of the top as well. So yeah, that is my next product. Coming to the next one, it is actually tops and t-shirts, and the least priced product which I actually found on the website is actually this t-shirt. This is how it looks like. It says girlism on it. Actually, I had a few options with this. I had like 5-6 options, and I like this one the most. I'm a person who loves wearing white, and hence I got this. I got this one for only 129 rupees. This is how it looks like. I won't say the material is the best. If you can see, it is a little transparent, but only for 129 rupees. What else can you find? Again, it is, the material is soft, not of the super high quality, but I would actually imagine myself wearing this out. I'm not really like a t-shirt person. I love sweatshirts, but not t-shirts very much. But yeah, this material is very nice and comfortable, very good for the summer season. So I'm looking forward to wear this one too. Coming to the next one was actually gym wear, and the least priced product in gym wear was actually this top. I actually first initially picked it in black, but it got out of stock very quickly, and hence I had to pick the pink one. So there is a little stain here. I don't know what it is. It looks like a little oil stain, but this top is very pretty. I would not buy it because of the color. This is not the pink which I like, but I got it anyway. I got this one for 125 rupees only. The material is really nice. You know, that gym athletic material. I don't really, polyester, I don't know what people really call it, but it is really nice. Actually, this is from Reliance Trends. It has written right here, and it retails for 499 rupees, whereas I got this shirt for only 125 rupees. Of course, it is such a steal. I can totally wear this when I work out and all, because the material is great, and I don't own anything in this material. So yeah, I really love this one. For the price, it's bomb. Coming to the next category, it was actually tops. The other one which I showed was actually t-shirts, but the next category is actually tops, and the least priced top was actually this one. This is how it looks like. It is so super pretty. It's one of my most favorite pieces in the entire haul. It has got a cap, and the material is so nice and cool. I wore it for like 5 minutes right now when I was actually filming the clip, this one, but I would live in this. There are few things which we could totally live in, right? This is actually one of that for me. My most favorite piece from the entire haul. And guess what? I got this one for only 175 rupees. It is so comfortable, so stretchable. The material is so cool. It is so soft. Worth every single penny. Absolutely love this one. You have to, I'll just try to place the link. So yeah, if you have to buy one thing of all the products that I got, go ahead and buy this one, because I absolutely love it so much. Coming to the next category, it was actually Indian wear or kurtis, I can say. But again, I don't have that parcel. So this is the one I actually purchased and it was only for 150 rupees. I was so super excited for that particular piece. Of all the pieces, I didn't really remember any of this, but I remembered only that. But somehow I really cannot find it. If I do, I'll show it to you in one of the vlogs. You have to subscribe to my channel and watch my vlogs. You know, I love doing them. Coming to the last product, that is innerwear. I actually the least priced product was actually a black slip, and again we can never have enough of black slips. So this is how it looks like. It is really nice soft cotton material. What else can I say? And this one retails for only 86 rupees. 86 rupees for a really nice slip. This is actually for 199 rupees. That is what it says on the card, but I got it for 86 rupees. Again, the material is super soft. I don't know if we wash it is going to shrink or anything, but yeah. And the last category was actually jewelry, and I got these piece of things. They were for around 72 rupees. Again, I felt that was the only expensive thing in the entire haul. I would never spend 72 rupees on those small things, but again I didn't receive them. So that is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel because that would mean the absolute world to me. And do let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to do more such videos and which website do you want me to purchase so that I can give you my review about it. And I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Also, please subscribe to my channel and help me reach 1000 subscribers because that would mean a lot to me. So bye guys.